playing a dot now. So. What does this look like on the inside? Exit home. I could probably get this way. Oh my god. Leave me alone. Jeez. Okay, girl. Oh, I forgot. I already did one right before this. So while we wait, I'm gonna take care of my pet. See what happens. Okay, let's do a trade. Trading this house. People not even reading it because it's not decorated. Oh, alright, someone wants it. I'm waiting for them to finish really quick. I take pets only. I forgot to say I take pets only. Oh my god. Before we do that, I'm just gonna go through my profile. Oh, okay. I can't tell if it's the same guy. Nope, it's not. Oh, yeah, that's cute. No. Yeah. Wait, why do you want? Okay. I want my English now. Ah. I don't think people even want to trade. I think they're just taking care of their pets. Why would you click that button if you want to go through my backpack? I mean, it's okay. Why would they? Feel like this could be worth more. I mean, it's just a house. Okay, take that. I want low fat. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't even know if this is fair. I just do this because I'm doing it for the inventory. And now I already got this. I don't think you can trade this one because you earn it. So like, you can't anymore. I didn't even decorate it. I just got it like that. Oh, that's so cool. So what I get? I got this, this, and this. Got those. But was there anything else? else I keep forgetting? No. Alright. 33. Honestly, okay. So, in this one, I didn't decorate the inside. It's just a castle. Someone gave it to me because I gave them a few neons. I want to know what that is over there. Oh, like that. Wait, that's like a rug. Okay. I don't know what to really